Retake. Can I just retake the incorrect part? Thank you. So this is nice because seriously, come on. Fine. That's fine. I'm copying the answer because I know how to do the whole thing. The only reason I got some stuff wrong is because I didn't put zeros in these boxes. I didn't put these numbers in parentheses. And then I don't know how to get this number, but I don't have time to figure it out, so too bad. 360. So I got 1 million, 10 million. That'd be funny if I missed that. I'll double check before I submit. Transportation in, 50,000 and 0. Purchase returns is parentheses 20,000. Oh, it's fun. How about negative 20,000? Oh, thank you. I don't have to type a parenthesis. And 196,000. I push enter. It won't let me push enter. Fun. Net purchases is 1,030,000. And 9,804. Net additional markups is 0 and 800,000. Cost of retail 1,070,000. And 10,964,000. I am rushing to finish all this stuff, but I'm actually going to be able to finish it, weirdly enough. Even though I was having a lot of trouble with the questions. Although I might not finish question 3, but we'll see. In fact, I might not even, maybe I'll finish it, but maybe I won't even get the correct answer because I legitimately have no clue how to do that question, and there's a million parts to the question, so might not be able to do it. Net markdown 0 and negative 500,000. And why can't I just push enter? Sales is 0 and 9,800. Wow. Ending inventory retail is 0 and 664,000. Cost retail ratio is 0.0976. And the ending inventory at cost is 64,806. And then the cost of goods sold, I don't know. That's the only part that I don't know about. Too bad. 1,005,194. So it's 1,005,194. So do they look exactly the same? That'd be funny if I accidentally X out a tab. 20,000. Dude, imagine if I type one thing wrong. It's gonna be the most annoying thing ever. Okay, this looks right. Please be right. Oh my gosh, no. Oh, why? No. Why can't I just... You've got to be kidding me. Just let me retake the one that... No, man. No, let me retake it with just the wrong question, you stupid website. This is so annoying. I forgot one little parenthesis. Now I have to redo the whole thing. Man. Come on. You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. No. I literally double-checked everything. $50,000. Negative 20,000. Negative 196,000. $130,000. $9,804. $800,000. $170,000. $10,964. $500,000. Or negative 500,000. $800,000. $664. $0.0976. Stop. 64,806. 1,005,194. $1,005. I did not forget any parentheses. Please tell me I'm fine. Please. I didn't forget I had parenthesis problem on the last one, but I don't on this one. See, they're all in parentheses. They're all the same numbers. Man, that was terrible. I now have over an hour to finish one single question, so I should be fine. No, refresh. I got it right. I got it right the second time. Refresh. I'm certain. I don't know why it still says 9.5. It says I answered it correctly. Update. See, look. Answered correctly. Update the thing. Update it to the new score. Finally. Okay, now all we have left is to do one single question. Unfortunately, it's a million gajillion years to do this one single question, but hopefully we can finish it on time. That was funny. Whoops. That was fun. The score is now 16-10. I feel like halftime started really quickly. No, it was about a normal amount of time. It's 1.5 hours usually. It usually takes 3 hours. Oh, stop. So We now have question 3, which is such a blah question. Dude. Like, February's sales revenue. We have we know what the ending inventory is. We know what the purchases for the month are. Okay, so what we do, we have beginning inventory. We have beginning inventory. We add purchases. Oh my gosh, this is going to take forever. Are you kidding me? This is going to take a million years. They don't have inventory on here. No freaking way. There's no way you're going to tell me that you want me to put an inventory amount on an income statement. Really? Are you serious? That's not how income statements work. Are you... What is learning objective? Are they going to skip me directly to where I'm looking for? They skipped me to learning objective 1. Funny. Hilarious. It is so idiotic how they're telling you. Okay, so what you do is cost of goods sold before adjustment, difference between the inventory at cost and the NRV. So inventory at cost and NRV, that's the difference. Subtract that from the cost of goods sold to get the cost of goods sold. I think maybe that's the thing I was missing on that one other assessment or something. What on earth do they mean? You're supposed to... Like, why do they tell you to put inventory in an income statement? That's what I'm confused about here. Also, this is only part A, which is hilarious. Like, this is going to take so long. What on earth do they want you to do here? They have a final amount at the bottom, so net income, I guess, is the bottom part. They don't even have you label the bottom. That's hilarious. I mean, according to this, you have sales revenue, cost of goods sold, gross profit on sales, loss due to decline of inventory to NRV, and then this. But they don't even specify whether you're supposed to use the loss method or not. They literally tell you to include the inventory in the statement. Seriously? What on earth is this? What is this? Why are you supposed to include a bunch of random like cost of goods sold? Normally what you would do is you would have cost of goods sold next. They say cost of goods sold, gross profit, maybe you'd have cost of goods sold, and then this. Yeah, but according to this one, you do cost of goods sold, gross profit, loss, and then you have the bottom number. So why are there so many extra things? It's because you're telling me this is an income statement, and yet there's no net income at the bottom? Curious. What on earth is this crap? What is this crap? Seriously? All you have is cost of goods sold, they made entries, then they have an income statement. All they included on the income statement was 4 things or 3 things, depending on which method you used. Hello? They didn't show you an income statement after they used a different method here. They show a balance sheet. Yeah, they show you a balance sheet right here. You have inventory, allowance to reduce inventory at NRV. That's the balance sheet. That's not the income statement. This is not an income statement. There is no income statement listed because they're stupid. They didn't show you how to use an income statement to do that. Why are you supposed to put inventory in an income statement? There is no allowance account either. There is no allowance account. You know how you calculate cost of goods sold? You know, they didn't give you cost of goods sold. You have to calculate it yourself. To calculate your cost of goods sold, you have to do a bunch of intermediate calculations. First, you have to have beginning inventory. Is this whole thing just so you can simply have the bottom number be your cost of goods sold? Is that the whole thing? Okay, so first you need beginning inventory. So first you need your beginning inventory and your ending inventory, and first you do it at cost. And you do the other thing separately. So first you have 18,450. Man, this is so fun. Then you have your purchases for the month. You purchased 20,910. Did they include purchase discounts? No. Okay, so now you have your goods available for sale. So time to do addition. Dude, we have a whole hour to finish this whole one single question, so maybe we'll be fine. I don't know. Okay, now we have a cost of goods available. So you now subtract your selling. Oh my God. I don't think this is what they wanted up here. Dude. Yeah, but you didn't show your sales revenue. So is the gross profit at the bottom? I mean, I'm assuming that's sales revenue right there, right? The problem is that are you literally supposed to calculate your gross profit percentage? They don't even refer to that section of the book. What the heck? Dude. What? What? Okay, we know our beginning inventory is the ending inventory of January. But we used the cost instead of this. Then we purchased an amount. We purchased an amount in February. Therefore, this is our cost of goods available. But we made sales of this much, but funnily enough, here's the catch. You can't just subtract that number. You can't just subtract that because that's the retail price. You've got to be kidding me. What the heck is this question? Hello? No. Do you just subtract the ending inventory? You had inventory at the beginning, then you had purchases. Then you subtract your ending inventory to get, okay, you have ending, your ending inventory was 18,573. You know why this is taking forever? Because the textbook doesn't explain how to do it. That's why. Your cost of goods available. Subtract your inventory equals the cost of goods sold. So you have this minus this. 39,360 minus 18,573 is 2787. So you know your cost of goods sold. However, you must make an adjustment, and then you will end up with your actual cost of goods sold. Wait, actually what you do is, you have your cost of goods sold, you have your sales revenue minus cost of goods sold equals, according to this, they don't specify which method you're supposed to use. But probably they want you to use this method where you do this minus this equals gross profit on sales. They don't have on sales, but so gross profit on sales, and then gain or loss due to this, and then here you go. Okay, so your gross profit is 35,670 minus 20,787. $14,883. And then how do you calculate this? You actually do you have your difference between inventory at cost and NRV. So what's the difference between them? So the difference is these two numbers. Oh. 18,573 minus 15,498 is 3,075. So therefore you have this minus this, and then 14,883 minus 3,075 is 11,808. So I think I completed the question. Unfortunately, now I have to. They made you do it for 3 separate months because they're mean. Plus, this is only part A. So yeah. What is this question? So this is going to be great. 43,050. So cost of goods sold. Inventory beginning is the end of March inventory. You know what's hilarious? I bet they're going to say that, like, your beginning inventory actually has to be this. But I don't think so. Beginning inventory is 18,573. Purchases of March is 29,520. Therefore, you have this plus this. 18,573, 29,520. 48,093. And then we have your ending inventory for March is 20,910. And then you do cost of goods sold. Dude, what if this thing is different? What if this is like... Then we have 43,050 minus 27,183, 15,867, and then we have the difference between these two numbers. 2910 minus 19,188. 1722. That was fun. I bet you're supposed to, like... Oh, you know what? You're probably supposed to put these in as negatives. So... yeah. I wonder how many of these you're supposed to have as negatives. That'd be hilarious if, like, a bunch of these are supposed to be negatives. Plus this equals this. Subtract ending inventory equals this. So you have this. Like, how many of these are supposed to be in negatives? I'm just going to put these as negatives. So, anyways... 15,867 minus 1722. 14,145. I'm not going to be surprised at all if like a million parts of this are wrong. Also, it's hilarious that I can't see it. 49,200. I can't even see. Dang it. Okay. So beginning inventory for April is 20,910. Oh, come on. Purchases is 32,595. So you add those. 2,910 plus 32 595 is 53,505. Ending inventory for April 17 to 20. So then you subtract this minus this equals this. 53,505 minus 17,220. 36,285 gross profit. So your gross profit is 49,200 minus 36,280 is 12,915. And then loss is 17,220 minus 16,359 negative 860. And then the only thing I got wrong was this. Well, we still have 45 minutes. And the only part we got wrong was this, apparently. We literally did everything right except for the last part. How? How is this? I thought it was just this minus this. Oh, man. They're like, you could make these negative if you want. They don't care. But these are somehow wrong. Now I don't know what to do. Look at this. I was looking at this to figure it out, but maybe this is not right. But you would think it is, because all you do is this minus this. That's the loss. That's it. You just... Come on. And I can't even progress the next part of the question until I finish this. Fun. Well, I still have less than 45 minutes to do this. Let's see how many points I'm getting right now. I'm ending up with 1833 out of 20. I'm fighting for those last few little points right now. That's fun. Oh, thanks a lot for doing that. It exited it out because it's done. So, yes. Now what? Look what they did. They took 82,000 minus 70,000. All you have is, how is this honestly not the way you do it? That's all you have to do. Oh. What if it's wrong because I used a minus sign, but guess what? Guess what? These numbers are still wrong, so how on earth is that the case? It's not gains. All of them lost value. They're all went down. They're all losses. Dude, this is stupid. How is this not how you do it? Also, this is dumb because it's only the lower of net realizable value, not lower of cost or market. I have no clue what I'm supposed to do here. I'm not going to use an attempt just to get rid of the negative signs. That would be idiotic. Did I actually do this minus this? You're supposed to do this minus this for February. Cost of goods sold. Is it supposed to be like cost of goods sold is this, but your actual cost of goods sold is less than this. It's a gain. What? Wait. No, your costs go down. How on earth do you have a loss? The cost of your inventory declined. Oh. I'm looking at this right now. They calculated this by doing the 82,000. Yeah, they didn't use this. They calculated it by taking, where's the 82,000? Ending inventory, subtracting this. I'm following the book, so I don't know what on earth they're doing in this question. I'm following the book. How? And then this, your gross profit, I followed the book exactly. It says gross profit. You subtract the loss, which I'm doing it right. My math wasn't wrong every time. What are the chances that I made a mistake every time by doing this minus this? Inventory at cost, inventory at this. Inventory at cost and NRV. The lower of cost and net realizable value is always lower than the actual cost, which implies that it is the net realizable value. What? How is this not right? This is correct. This is correct. I'm not an idiot. It's this minus this for February. I'm running out of time, so I might have to give up. Dang it. According to this thing, if it goes down, it's a loss. If it goes down, it's a loss. It went down. It went down. Before adjustment, cost of goods sold, you adjust by that amount. So they add that to the cost of goods sold, but that decreases from your gross profit because your gross profit goes down. So this will be your final gross profit. How is this wrong? This is not wrong. This number is not wrong. Hello? What the heck? What? This is stupid. How is this not right? I'm following this. I'm following this right here. This is what I'm using. It's hilarious. This is ridiculous. How? At this point, I'm just going to do this. It's not going to change. It's not going to change anything. What? It literally changed this? How did that happen? Okay, well, at least I know what this is now, but I don't understand this. I did this minus this. I did this minus this to get 861. So what on earth happened? This makes no logical sense why this is a plus. Somehow this is the right number, but these are not. I wonder how long part B is going to be. It's probably going to be like this whole thing again, except for one little change. What? What is different about the April compared to the previous months? In that doing this minus this gives you the answer of 861, except it's a positive number. Was it? There's no way. The chances of that being a coincidence, a coincidentally correct answer. That's fine. They accept minus signs for this. They literally say you can use a negative sign if you want. So it's not that. That's and maybe I'll just add these. No, they say these are also wrong, so it's obviously not going to work. So what on earth did I do wrong? I did this minus this to get the answer for the last one, 861. So why is this minus this not the answer for the second one? What? 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 This makes no sense. This makes no sense. Am I seriously just giving up? Dang it. I just don't have time because I need to do the rest of the question. This is bull. How on earth did... It was an absolute coincidence that I got that right. It was a coincidence. The reason was because they never showed, it was something to do with all this crap here. But what on earth? 615. Where'd they get 615 from? Oh. The allowance. So we have to there's a loss. If it's a loss, you put it in this. Two, 4, 6, 0. And then the next two are gains, so you just reverse. And then if the other account would be... I know why I couldn't find it initially, because I was looking in the wrong place, I guess. Yeah, I couldn't find it here. But I had to scroll down to here to find the answer because it's ridiculous. Seriously, I have to scroll all the way down here? No wonder I couldn't find it. I had to scroll all the way down here to find... Wait, where is this? I seriously can't find it now. What happened? I know why. The reason I couldn't find it is because it was down here. That's why I couldn't find it initially. It wasn't even really my fault. It was all the way down in Learning Objective 8. That's why I couldn't find it. And there's all this extra information down here in Learning Objective 8 that is being asked of us in our homework questions. Funny, I didn't read that part. Because how was I supposed to know we were supposed to read this thing here? This random thing at the bottom of our freaking chapter. Are you serious? Is this where all the information where I'm lacking is? Maybe it is here. Yes, it is. It is here. No way. No way. All of the information I needed to do our assessment was down here in Learning Objective 8. How was I supposed to know that? How? Literally, it's like a bunch of, it looks like it's repeating stuff. So, recovery of inventories. Man, seriously? Yay. The homework asks you to do things that are in Learning Objective 8 for no apparent reason. because it's idiotic. I could have probably figured out how to do this part up here if I had actually looked down here. Seriously? Come on. They already gave you these answers. It's 1, 3, 5, 3. How on earth did I coincidentally get that one random thing right? I want to redo this, please. No, it won't let me do it. So let's see how much of my grade suffered because of that. I'm sad. I missed a fraction of a point. Funny. The lowest score that anybody got so far was 5.2. Somebody got a 5.21. Oh, I think it's because they haven't finished it yet. Somebody's in the process of doing the assignment. There's no way they actually got a 5.21. I'll check it again some other time. It's probably because somebody's currently doing the assignment, but I mean, it's almost due, so you better hurry up. Well, that was depressing. I didn't even get 100%. I got a 19.84, which is going to barely affect my grade. It's a fraction of a point. Whoops.